Hey friends and neighbors, old Doc here. I don't know, I've had this pickup 2.5, 3 years, somewhere in that area. And it was getting to where it wasn't running real good all the time. So I decided to do a tune-up on it and pulled the plugs out. The plugs are all cruddy with oil and shit, but they're burning pretty good. All of them are that way. Got the grayish color on there. All 8 of them, so they've been burning good. The major problem is the points and distributor cap kept corroding up on it. So anyway, we put plugs, points, distributor cap, condenser, new rotor. Matthew had to stop because when I called yesterday and made sure the parts store had everything, well, they didn't. The O'Reilly's here in South Sioux. Matthew stopped at O'Reilly's, and after they told me they had it, they didn't when I got there. So Matthew stopped at O'Reilly's in Norfolk, picked up the rotor. Guess what? The new rotor's shit. It don't work. Pickup just crank, 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 and crank. We had spark at the points, but nothing coming to the distributor cap. So we put the old rotor on, and Matthew hit the key, and it took right off. And I'm going to rant here in a minute, but you'll see how easy she cranks and runs now. Pretty doggone good. Now comes the rant. So I'll tell you what, people that own these businesses, they wonder why people shop online. I'll tell you why. I called yesterday to the parts store to make sure that they had all the parts, give them a heads up, time to get all their ducks in a row, set the parts out for me and what have you, right? Well, I called them up. I told the guy, I said, hey, here's what I got, old Ford pickup, 390. I'm looking for ignition parts. Starting with spark plugs, distributor cap, points, condenser, and a rotor. So I can hear the guy over the phone. He's tippity tapping on his computer. I give him all the information on the year and all that. 2-wheel drive, 390, etc. Yep, we got her. I said, okay. I said, what's the price on everything? Points are $8 and change. Condenser is $8 and change. Distributor cap's like $9. Condenser, $159.99. I said, what? He said, yeah, condenser's $159.99. I said, my ass it is. I said, nobody in this world paid $159, $160 for a damn ignition condenser. Oh, well, I thought that was for the air conditioner. I said, air conditioners aren't part of the ignition system. So, and then, like I said, I get down there. Oh yeah, we got everything. We'll put it in the box. It'll be here for you. Well, like I said, no condenser or no rotor. So stop at another parts store here in the local area. First place was O'Reilly's, right? Second place, AutoZone. Pull in there, walk in, ask them if they had an ignition rotor for the 390. Three guys stand there behind the counter. What is that? I said, it's a little deal, goes underneath the distributor cap, spins around, distributing the spark, the corresponding tip inside the distributor cap. Never heard of it. None of the three guys, never heard of a rotor. So they get on the computer and they start tippity. Oh yeah, we got one. I said, okay, how much is it? Damn near 20 bucks. I said, you got to be kidding. Nope, 20 bucks. I said, well, get the damn thing. So he comes out with a box this size, right? Sets the box. I said, that's a mighty big box for just a little ignition rotor. He opens the box up, pulls out a distributor cap. Is this what you're looking for? I said, no. The part I want goes underneath that. Well, I don't know what you're looking at. So back on the computer we get. I show him what the part looks like. He opens the box up, that back up, that had the distributor cap in it. There's the rotor laying in there. He says, is this what you're looking for? I said, that's it. He said, what comes with the distributor cap? I said, I don't need the distributor cap. I already got one. Well, we saw them together. Well, you're the only one that does, because I've never bought them together. Never have. Not in all my almost 60 years. So, you wonder why people shop online? It's because of that bullshit. Don't know what parts are. Now, if you want a shiny Goo-Gah to hang from your mirror, fuzzy seat covers, you know, that look like your girlfriend's panties, whatever. Floor mats. Oh, hell yeah, we got floor mats. Carry a whisk broom? Hell no, we don't even know what a whisk broom is. And they don't. They don't carry a whisk broom. They don't know what it is. So, there you go, store owners. That's why people shop online. So, I'm done. You guys have a great weekend. She's warm. It was 34 degrees this morning. It's been down in the 30s all week. But this coming week is going to be a different ball game. She's going to be back up in the upper 80s and 90s. So, with that, I'm going to go wash my paws and do something kind for a friend, stranger, a loved one. Happy trails.